So they're two really popular schools.
You need a little help today?
Yeah, I've lost my voice. You better take this one.
All right, Jet's got no voice, so he'll gesture, I'll talk. There are two popular schools to cooking a great prime rib. Jet School, which is low and slow, and mine, which is the high heat quicker method. I saw that. Which method reigns supreme? We're gonna battle it out today to find out. Let's go. So here are the things we do agree on. We're both starting with a 3-bone, bone-in prime rib, thanks to our friends over at West Coast Prime Meats for these beautiful prime ribs. The fat's not trimmed, and we're gonna allow it to chill in the refrigerator uncovered. It might look a little bit dry coming out of the fridge, but it'll give you an amazing brown crust no matter which method you decide to use. Eat it, Jet Tila.
We'll see. Let's see if it's good enough.
Let's check it out.
All right. And, oh man, you got a nice temp.
Yeah.
Get in there.
Yeah. How do you like me now? How do you like me now?
That's pretty sexy. What I got is the winning prime rib, by the way. Oh yeah. Look at that beauty. Oh yeah. Pink.
Tough competition.
Juicy, moist, sexy. You know it. You know it. So I gotta say, visually, they're pretty identical. So temperatures are spot on. I gotta say, they look amazing. They both do, even yours.
Ah.
All right, but all right. Actually, I'll try a bite of mine, and then I'll try a bite of yours.
I'm gonna try it. Yep.
It's pretty spot on. I like fatty bits, so I'm gonna eat the fatty bits.
Yeah, so good.
Mmm. Moist, flavorful, tender all the way through. I mean,
Yours are pretty good. I have to admit, yours is pretty amazing.
I'm gonna have to
That's
call.
some delicious stuff.
I think we've declared a tie here. Do you agree? I would totally say it. Both are pretty amazing. Okay, so you know who the winner really is? You guys, because you have two really great techniques, both yielding almost exactly the same results. So closing arguments, very quickly, why do you love your technique so much?
I love this technique because it gives you a nice crust on the prime rib, and then I don't have to worry about any kind of internal temping. I just throw it in the oven and forget about it.
Okay, so I like
that.
And I like mine because I feel like I have more control over the temperature, and I can brown it at will. Like when I'm ready and all the guests are here, I brown it. But you know what? Both are pretty amazing. I will say tie, Tila. Guys, if you have any questions on these techniques, please post them below. Keep the conversation going and enjoy some prime rib. Go, get out of here.
Happy holidays.
I'm gonna go eat. Let's get out of here.
Yeah, give me a bite of yours.
No, really maybe not. I don't know.
Right. Another bite of that because it's good.
Right. All right.